Yiroka is located in the CIMC Industry and City Digital Technology Industrial Park in Songshan Lake, adjacent to Huawei European Town, and enjoys a core location in the high-tech industry cluster. Our factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters and has a monthly production capacity of more than 1,000 sats. After 19 years accumulation, we have been in the forefront of the industry. We have been received favorable comments from cooperative brand customers. For many consecutive years, our business spreads more than 80 countries and regions around the world. We have maintained good cooperation with world-renowned companies like Leroy Merlin, BQ, Carrefour, Walmart, etc. Yiroka was established in 2006 and started to produce doorbell products. We have our own R&D center, design center, testing laboratory, MOLD workshop, an injection molding workshop, SMT workshop, and lean production assembly workshop. We are a professional manufacturer, specialized in developing, producing, and exporting smart security and smart home products. Main products include smart video, intercom system, audio, door, phone, Wi-Fi video doorbell, wireless doorbell, smart network camera, and smart wireless switch, etc. The company is only a 90-minute drive from Hong Kong International Airport. We warmly welcome you to visit our company and discuss cooperation.